Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal and I hope you all are doing well and you are able to learn something on daily basis. And today I'm here with as a continuous on my spoken English journey. So today I want to narrate a story. Like once upon a time, in a quiet village named Chandanpur, there was a young boy named Ans is living with his family. And if we talk about Chandanpur, Chandanpur is a village which is surrounded by greeneries and hilly area, and the path of Chandanpur is narrow, and the environment is very beautiful and eye catching. So Ans have big dream. He is having dream bigger than the sky, and he is want to become a leader in a big organization, and he want to lead somehow. And but he is not that much focused towards learning, and he's not able to achieve anything. He is just thinking like I am going to do so many things, but he is not able to start anything in a particular manner. So in that particular village there was a young man lives, and he is a retired person, and his name is Gopal Kaka. Gopal Kaka is a retired army person, and he is very wise, and he is following some habits on daily basis without any skip. Like early he he's trying to wake up early, and he wake up early. After that he is going to do daily activity. After that he is going to do some physical activities like push up and some other physical activity like running, and he is very fit. So once Ans met with Gopal Kaka, and he asked why you are that much conscious about these habits, and how you are able to maintain these habits without any skip. Because I am also trying to study more, and I am also want to fit with fitness, and but I am not able to continue my study and physical fitness. So Gopal Kaka said that you need to make some little habit in starting. You no need to take some big habit, so you are feeling bored and exhausted. So like if you are not able to wake up early, then start wake up 15 minutes before when you are able to wake up. Likewise, and gradually you are able to see a big change in your behavior and attitude. So Ans agreed with Gopal Kaka thoughts, and he think that I'm going to apply it on my own personality. And next day he wake up 15 minutes earlier than before, and he do 5 push-ups, and he goes for walk, and also he make a plan like I'm going to read for 1 hour in a day, only for 1 hour in a day. And he after 3 or 4 days he feeling bored, but still. And when after 1 week, when he planned to start a running activity for his physical activities, and when he go for running, so he feel like his legs are burning and chest are also heating. But he remembered the Gopal Kaka's thought, like if you really want to do something big in your life, then whatever you are feeling well or unwell, you need to do that particular activities, whatever required in order to achieve something. You need to do these activities with consistency and discipline. So yeah, if he is not feeling well, then also he just started his activity, like some physical activities in a morning, and some reading activities, like he just started 1 hour reading on every day. So after some time, his friends are also noticing how you are able to do this transformation. One of his close friend named Shonu, and he asked with Ans. Shonu asked to Ans, how you are able to do this transformation. So Ans said, it is not a transformation which happened overnight. It took me a lot of time and lots of days to reach till this transformation. And after some days, there was a competition, physical competition happened, where was a race competition is there. So as Ans is usual to do physical activities like running and push up and some other physical activities, so he's also taken parts in that particular competition, and he is able to achieve a good rank over there. And after that, he's also uh, in his exam, he's also able to achieve a good rank. So everyone becomes shocked, and everyone is asking how you are able to do it. So he just said, I'm able to achieve till here with the help of consistency, with the help of, like, I have taken some roadmap for me, and I am consistent on that particular roadmap. So consistency is the key of making the habits, because we are not able to make any habits in a day. We need to take us some time for create any habit. So yeah, and after some time he is able to make so many things, and he is able to take a good position in a leading organization. So the message of this story is, if you are taking some action, and if you are continuous on some roadmap whatever you have taken, so definitely you are going to gain mastery over it. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are able to learn something on daily basis from my videos. So like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any suggestion for me, then feel free to drop or comment. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Take care. Have a great day ahead.